This might be a little difficult to show you the bathroom because it is tiny. And by the way, I hate this door. It's one of those weird pivoting things. What really would have been better is like a barn door that just slides over, which we're actually going to build one and put one in eventually. I put my old bath sign from the house in here with Velcro command strips. Remember my last video I told you guys about the towel hooks over the toilet? Well, I had no place for my hair stuff, so this is what I went ahead and did instead. So I just hang those, and then I got this basket to have extra toilet paper in the bathroom. And then I put these command hooks up just for people to hang their clothes, like if they want to get dressed in here after they shower. And then I put one command hook here for the towel. And then we also had to put in a toilet paper holder. I keep my toilet brush on a hook behind the toilet. And that's one of the toilet brushes that has the flushable, but I do not flush them. I always throw them away. So I have this one little decoration here also, and then I have that one up there. That's just a canvas that I bought at Walmart and then used Velcro command strips to hang it. And then same with this. I'd like to find a prettier hook, maybe kind of makeshift something like a piece of wood or something that sticks out instead of that ugly thing. And then paper towels, lotion and poo spray, wax warmer, hand soap. And then I have this little cubby kind of thing here. I wanted to have some decorations in here, so this little guy is secured with alien tape so it won't get broken on travel days. This is a plastic drawer from Dollar Tree. I just removed the drawer and then secured it with Velcro command strips to hold Jeff's grooming tools. And then medicine cabinet. And believe it or not, if you saw my other video where I showed you how I organized this is after heavy use. It's a little, looking a little rough, but everything stays really well. These little boxes was like the best thing ever to just keep everything organized and use all the space. And someone said I have a lot of stuff in my medicine cabinet, but I don't think we do. I mean, for living full time, I don't think that's a lot of stuff in the medicine cabinet. It looks like more than it is because it's very shallow. So I don't know, whatever. I mean, we do live full time. So anyway. Okay. And then as far as the shower goes, our rug, I always just hang it up here because I don't want to leave it on the floor because it will get icky, you know, fast. So we just always hang it back up there. Oh, and then my favorite thing that we ever did. This is my favorite thing ever, even more than the washer and dryer, because we had those nasty glass doors and down there, you could not get it clean. You know, like in the tracks, just terrible. So when we took it up, when Jeff took it up, the tracks that were right here, there was just nasty black. It was gross. And it was only after a year. So it was disgusting. So I'm so glad, so glad that he took that out. I love these razor hooks. They came together with the toilet paper holder, and I will link that in the description below. My sugar scrub, and then we use washcloths and just hang them on these hooks. And then I got that shaver mirror for Jeff so he can shave in here and not make the mess all over the sink. It's so much better. And he loves that too, because it's just, he doesn't have to try to clean up after himself. And then we have our shampoo and body wash. Jeff, that's his toothbrush, and usually he has his own toothpaste in there too, but he just brushes his teeth in the shower. And the reason is because this sink is tiny. Like, you can't really tell, but for him, it's really difficult, like brushing his teeth. And like right here is like, he's always hitting his head, and that was just much better. And then this is what I use to clean the shower. Very handy, by the way. That's an old Pinterest trick. I learned that years ago. Oh, and then also we have the Oxygenics shower head. We got that other one before, the one that's like kind of weird looking. It almost looks like a weapon of mass destruction. But it did not work well, but this is amazing. It's like a nice home shower. I'll link that in the description too. Okay, so under here we have the trash can and some drawers just for some extra storage space. And then under the drawers, I put one of these wire racks just to make, because it's such an awkward space, you know? So I took this wire rack and put that there. And then underneath here, I have a basket that I keep bars of soap and extra wax melts. And then just some cleaning toothbrushes and baby wipes. And then we have 3 drawers. So this is the top 2 are my daughter's, and then the bottom is mine. You know, just regular old stuff. Hair stuff, brushes, and then just my face stuff, my brush, deodorant. So we all 3 have our own drawer. Jeff doesn't need a drawer because he just doesn't have that much stuff. So